अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु।
Those who don't know, due to misperception of what is, there is sorrow. So what is to be known. This is made clear. Now, we have to look at the whole thing in terms of reality. We have become now reality finder. We want to find out the reality. Reality, first let us understand the terms properly. Satya, real. And the Satyam, false. You see, therefore it is. And then the third one is Tucham, non-existence. I'm going to ask you now, would ask you, you tell me, so what is this? What? Is it non-existent? No. No. No water here. No. Okay. Then, is it false? No. Your perception of pot, is it false? No. No. That means what it is? Real. It is real. Wonderful. Now Vedanta starts.
संप्राप्त कर्म बंध विदाहिने आत्मज्ञान प्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसंसारः。
私たち世の中を逆に言いましたら、ちょっとポットが土を持っているような勘違いです。ポットが土を持っているのではありません。なので私たち考えが意識を持っているように思いますけど、同じようにこれは土に持たれているポットがあるわけですね。どっちが主かというと土が主です。ポットが土を持っているという勘違いと同じ見え方が私たちについてしてます。考えが意識を持っていると思いますから、考えが意識を持っていると思いますから、意識がなくなるとか、意識が遠のくとか、考えの側になって、実は話をしますけど、意識によって考えが表されています。意識によって考えが支えられています。意識によって考えが満たされています。Do you have some plan to come to Japan in future?
Yeah, we are thinking of one.
You can do something.
You can. We are thinking of a Buddhist Hindu conference, maybe in Delhi.
Delhi?
Yeah. But I can come to Tokyo sometime.
Now we can join your plan.
Yeah, you can organize something. Tokyo or Kyoto or whatever. Which is good? Which place is easier to organize?
Tokyo is easier. Most of them is a teacher, asana yoga teacher. They have a student.
Yoga teacher.
Yoga teacher.
Yeah, they've got some students already.
And they had an interest because yoga is limited.
Yeah, yeah.
He want to know more deeply what is the meaning of yoga.
So all your students will come. So you can have it in a monastery. You can have. They will give hall. No.
Monastery.
Will they give you the
place?
Your hall place for conducting lectures? I think they will give.
Yeah, we can arrange something. For Swamiji?
Yeah, Swamiji they will give. Suppose you say, if the Swami teacher is coming and from India, they may give.
Yeah, of course we can do arrange some. We can do some arrange. We can do nice arrange for Swamiji.
Yeah. It's very encouraging to see so many people coming for a serious session, learning Tattvabodha. And so that means you can have many such camps in different cities, and I'm very happy that you are planning to do that. And so if there is a certain plan, a clear plan to reach out to people, and there are a lot of spiritual people who want to know, and there is already the influence of the Buddhist teaching is there, so that's a very good basis, and for understanding Vedanta, So because the Buddha's teaching of values, attitudes, and karma, all these are again the same in Vedanta, and so. It's easy for Japanese people to understand what is Vedanta. Vedanta is oneself. What is Vedanta. And so Chetan has no difficulty in teaching what is that. There is no difficulty. So he teaches what is, and so he will be received very well. And I am looking forward to my April camp. Thank you all.